So Checkout Buddy has a auto add feature and it works really well, but there are some gotchas, and I just want to go over how to work over them. So with the traditional cross-sell, you have the add free products to cart automatically, and this works as long as the product is free. And if it's not free, you can make it free with a 100% discount with the product discount, and then it will add it to the cart for free automatically then. So if we just select this setting, we can see a potential issue. If we go to our cart, we go to checkout, we're going to see that it may add the product more than once. So it adds it once here, but if we refresh the page, it's going to add another one. And we don't want that because, it's a free gift. You're only supposed to get one gift per purchase. So to fix that, we can actually select these two settings: hide customization if cart already contains offer product, and hide product if already in cart. The hide product if already in cart, that generally applies if there are more offers than one. So if you're not just applying, basically you just want to select both of these settings. So if we select that, save it, and then we go back to our checkout, remove the gift, and then we check out again, we see that it adds the product once. And if we refresh the page, it doesn't add it again because we checked the setting to make sure that it only adds once. If the gift is already in the product, if the gift is already in the cart, then it does not add it again. However, there are still workarounds around this thing. So if, let's say, the customer, they get a free product, they like it, and they go back to the cart, they want to do more shopping or whatever, and they see this quantity changer right here, so they can just increase the quantity and they get more gifts for free. We go to checkout. It doesn't add extra things, but it doesn't stop the customer from adding more products, assuming our gift is a package protection in this case. So to fix that, let's remove our gift. We can actually add another type of customization. There's a couple. The first one I'm going to go over is the line item remover, because I think this is just the simplest one. And so we got a line item remover, which will remove the line item if under certain circumstances. So let's say we want to remove the package protection if there's more than one. So we use the display rule, quantity of variance. Make sure this applies only when the quantity of variance is more than one. So if there is one, of the selected product too. So we want to make sure that it applies only to the package protection. So if there's more than one package protection in the cart, then this display rule gets triggered, and then this block gets applied. And so we want it to apply and remove the product only if it's more than one. And how it works is it removes the product one line at a time. So we save this block. Let's add it to checkout. It's 13138. Just going to note that ID, and we're going to add this to anywhere in the checkout block, and then we're going to get the ID again, include it in Shop Pay, and now let's see how that works again. So we have our complete snowboard. We check out. Our gift applies. That's great. If we refresh, great, it does not add another one. But if we go back to cart and we increase the quantity, because the app only works in checkout, the cart validations don't really apply. So the customer, let's say, adds a extra gift, and they don't know about that. So we go into checkout, and then now the line item remover checks in, and it removes all the extra ones. So that is one way to prevent the duplicates, both in checkout and in cart. That should work for most cases. But if you want additional protections, let's say you don't want to go line item remover part, you want to do a more, let's say you just want to go another way, like a checkout validation. You want to block the checkout if there's extra. So in that case, we can use the banner block with the block checkout progress, or we can use the more powerful checkout validator. This works more on the server side, so it's more integrated with Shopify's infrastructure, so it is more powerful. It will work more consistently, but it does block checkout. So you got to be careful with the settings here because it's a pretty powerful function. So let's say we set the error message to you can't have more than one, or more than, please remove extra gifts. And we apply this only when quantity of variance is greater than one. And make sure that's package protection. Save that. And because this is a function, we do not have to add it to checkout. It's already applied to checkout. And so let's go back here and see how that works again. Remove our gift, go to checkout, and the gift is added. We refresh, no extra gifts added. We go to cart, increase the quantity of the gift, and now we check out. Now it is blocked. So you cannot check out, the customer cannot check out because there are extra gifts. So let's say we just want to try to check out right here. Enter a fake credit card number. Pay now. And no, it's still blocked. So that is the checkout validator route. So when dealing with duplications of gift products, that's the three methods. So first one is to check the hide product and hide customization settings of the cross-sell, and that will work. That should work for most cases in the checkout. But to cover the cases in the cart as well, then you add either the checkout validator or you add the line item remover, which I recommend more because it's a more softer approach and it doesn't block checkout. So that is that, and the key is the quantity of variance rule. Hope that helps. If there's anything else, just let me know. And good luck.